Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I'm going to share how our payout function works. Payout function is when cash is taken out from the cash drawer without a sale being made. Is to record where you may cash out for buying some groceries or payment to your supplier, but all these is depend your company policy whether allowed or not. How to get here? You may refer back my previous tutorial. Since the function not often to use, we normally map inside the Manager function page. Click the Manager function button. Hit the Payout function. Key in the description for audit purpose. Payout amount as well. Click on OK button. Payout is in cash. Just hit the Cash button. Is done. You just did the payout cash for buying tomato sauce. You may attach this printout payout receipt with your tomato purchase receipt as audit purpose. End of day at X and Z report is under our collection details. Our collection details is excluded these payout amount. There is a record showing cash takeout from cash drawer. Let me share with you how cash in drawer limit setting works in the payout function. Once cash amount reach to the preset limit amount, system will alert. At this time you may use our payout function. To cash out to avoid cash drawer is overloaded, and it may make the cash drawer stuck for opening. Check cash in drawer means your cash already reached the limit. Proceed to payout function, so that the alert check CID signed will disappear. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.